DJI has long been a dominant force in the drone industry, known for pushing boundaries in both consumer and professional aerial tech. With the success of the Avata 2, there's been growing anticipation around what's next to enter the DJI Avata 3. The FPV first-person view drone market has evolved rapidly, and DJI's Avata line has played a major role in that transformation. One of the most exciting areas of development is the camera system. The Avata 2 features a 1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K at 60 FPS with HDR, delivering impressive image quality. However, rumors suggest the Avata 3 could take things to a whole new level with a possible 1-inch CMOS sensor. This upgrade would provide sharper images, better low-light performance, and richer color depth, making it a valuable tool for professional videographers. There's also talk of new features like raw video capture and advanced color grading tools, which would give creators more flexibility in post-production. Battery life is another area of expected improvement. The Avata 2 already offers about 23 minutes of flight time, which is notable for an FPV drone. However, leaks point to the Avata 3 potentially pushing that number closer to 30 minutes. Improvements in motor efficiency and power management could make a big difference for users who rely on longer flight sessions, whether for professional shoots or just extended fun. When it comes to stabilization, DJI is already ahead of the curve with rock-steady and horizon-steady technology. But speculation suggests that the Avata 3 might introduce a mechanical gimbal system for even smoother footage, even in fast-paced or turbulent environments. Better stabilization is key not just for casual flying, but also for high-speed, cinematic maneuvers. Safety features are also expected to get an overhaul. While the Avata 2 includes some obstacle detection, it's limited in scope. The new model might feature full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, with omnidirectional sensors designed to help navigate through tight spaces or dense environments like forests or urban areas. That's a huge win for both beginners and experienced pilots. Another exciting leak involves the transmission system. The current O3 Plus system already provides low latency and sharp video feeds, but the next-gen O4 system could boost range, resolution, and responsiveness even further. This would be crucial for those who need real-time feedback over longer distances or in more complex environments. Performance-wise, the propulsion system is also due for an upgrade. The Avata 2 already delivers solid speed and maneuverability, but the Avata 3 may come equipped with more powerful motors to offer even greater agility and top-end speed. These upgrades would appeal to both freestyle pilots and those looking for buttery smooth cinematic shots. As for when we might see this new model, DJI has a history of releasing updates roughly every 1 to 2 years. Industry chatter hints at a potential mid-2025 launch, although there's always the chance it could arrive earlier, especially if DJI follows its usual innovation pace. Pricing remains speculative, but based on previous patterns, we might expect similar tiered options. These could include a standard model with 64GB internal storage, a more complete free flight kit, and a higher-end creator combo. Global pricing might also be affected by tariffs and supply chain dynamics, particularly in the US and EU. DJI also appears to be focused on making the Avata 3 more accessible. For newcomers, simplified controls and a more intuitive flying experience are expected. Meanwhile, advanced users might enjoy enhanced pro modes and better integration with DJI's goggles and motion controllers. Some AI-powered features like subject tracking and automated cinematic flight paths are also rumored, making complex shots easier for everyone. Overall, the Avata 3 looks poised to raise the bar in FPV drones, whether you're chasing adrenaline with freestyle flying or crafting professional-grade aerial footage. With improved imaging, longer battery life, better stability, and smarter features, this drone is shaping up to be a true game-changer. The hype is real, and the FPV community is watching closely. Will DJI deliver on the expectations? Time will tell, but all signs point to the Avata 3 being worth the wait.